Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Make your mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making super moist vanilla cupcakes. I'm going to decorate them for Easter. With this recipe, you do not need any eggs, milk, or butter. So the ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 tub of frosting. I'm using strawberry, but you can use the flavor of your choice. I have Easter sprinkles and Easter cupcake liners. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. 3/4 cup of sugar. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And 1 cup of warm water. Okay guys, you want to get a bowl. Then you want to get a strainer. We're going to place that over top of our bowl. And we're going to add our all-purpose flour to it. And we're just going to sift it into our larger bowl. Next, you want to add your sugar, your baking powder, and also your salt. We're just going to take a whisk and whisk that together until it's well combined. Okay, now to a measuring cup, I'm going to add in my 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. To that, I'm going to add my 1 cup of warm water and also my vanilla extract. I'm going to go ahead and mix that together until it's well combined. Now we're going to slowly add a little at a time of our oil mixture, and we're just going to whisk it together. You want to continue to mix until it's all smooth. Once your batter is all smooth and you removed all the lumps, you want to go ahead and line your cupcake tin with cupcake liners. I use these cute Easter liners. Now you can set your oven to 350 degrees. Next, I'm going to use a piping bag. I put it over a cup so I can fill it with my batter, or you can just spoon your batter into your cupcake liners. Okay, I have my piping bag filled. I'm going to cut the tip off, and I'm going to begin to fill my liners up halfway. Okay guys, this recipe makes 12 cupcakes. So now they're ready to go into our oven, 350 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, look how beautiful these cupcakes came out. Now you know to test to make sure that they're cooked all the way through. Take a toothpick, insert it, it comes out clean. They're cooked. So now I'm going to let my cupcakes cool off before I move them to a wire rack. Okay guys, I'm going to give them about another 5 to 10 minutes to cool off completely so I can go ahead and ice them. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you how nice and fluffy they are. Okay guys, I have my frosting in a piping bag with a number 32 tip. We're going to begin to ice our cupcakes. Okay guys, once you have the frosting on top, you can go ahead and add some sprinkles if you like to some of them. And next I'm just going to go ahead and put these little bunnies and chicks into our cupcakes. Okay guys, so here we have it, our eggless super moist vanilla cupcakes for Easter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.